The first GP of the season was an absolute belter. In the absence of defending champion Jeffrey Hurlings, it was Tim Geiser that took the top step of the MXGP podium in Matterley, despite the best efforts of Jorge Prado and Jeremy Seewer. While there was a glimpse of the future as MX2 champion Maxime Renault enjoyed his premier-class debut in the British sunshine. In MX2, a new star was born. Simon Langenfelder shocked everyone, including himself, by sweeping the board at the opening event of the season and has catapulted himself into the championship reckoning, leaving Tom Biel and Jago Hitz already playing catch-up. The second round of the FIM Motocross World Championship brings us to the Circuito Tazio Novellari in Mantova, a cultural hub in the Italian northeast. Our last visit here could not have been more dramatic. Let's find out what happens this time at the MXGP of Lombardia.
Don't forget to subscribe and you will receive a notification when anything new is posted on our channel. Right here. Enjoy!